Welcome back. I will walk you through the detailed explanation of how the user interface UI of the online examination system works. Um, the users are greeted with a login page where they must enter their username and password, just as we are seeing here. Now, let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's go to this aside users. Look at users table. Let's use this guy here, user 20. User 20. And okay, user 20. The password is 20. Password 20. Users are greeted users are greeted with login page where they must enter their username and password. As you can see now, it has verified users' credentials against the database. So if the credentials are correct, the users is related to the dashboard, and we are here where we are, the user dashboard. If not, an error message will be displayed. Now we are in the user dashboard. Once login, users see the dashboard that provides an overview of available exams. You can see all the available exams, and also the recent scores. You can view results. Let's check the recent score. This user 20 has no scores listed. Okay, let's close the pop-up. The dashboard lists all available exams that the user can take, and these are all the available exams that the user can take. And these are typically displayed as a list or grid with. You can make it grid, but I decided to make it as a list with the exam title, and we can see the view result button, the class, the name of the student or the test taker, the class. So this is it. You can see this user has attempted this in. So no subject attempted yet. So let's say the user wanted to maybe feel like taking an exam. Let's say this particular subject. Let's first of all check from the dashboard and see available subjects from the scores table. Okay, you can see 2022. Okay, this is 10 for commerce, and the user has not taken. Let's check. Okay, we say we added music the other time. Yes, music, and music is 0. And let's go back to the question. Okay, aside questions menu. Okay, we don't have music set yet. We can upload question just like we discussed in the previous lessons. Import questions. Let's upload the questions. I have my questions, my subject music, and these are the questions. You can see with the subject ID. The subject ID. You can see the subject ID. You can see you must note the subject ID before importing any question. From the subject list, look at it. The subject table, I think this is music, subject ID 35. You can see. So we want to bulk upload the questions. So we come here, this is the questions. Look at these are the list of the options. You can see who is known as the king of pop. Option A, Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson, Freddie Mercury, Prince, and of course it's Michael Jackson. B. So this is how we set the questions, and this is how we get the subject ID. So we come here, we bulk upload the questions. Let's bulk upload the question. All right. This is the question, the music in CSV. So yeah, now we can click import. Okay, questions imported successfully. So let's go to the edit questions table. You can see, let's check whether the music, okay, you can see now music. If you intend to make anyone to display an image, or want to get an image question, you can just choose the file here, and then it will appear for the test taker or the user's dashboard. So we can see the user interface. So you can see right now we are not going to choose any image question. Let's leave the questions as they are. So you can log out, but let's move to the user dashboard and see we can added. Let's see if the music is added. Yes, it has me. You can see music is added as part of the subject that is enrolled. So you can see music. So let's take the music test. Who is known as the king of pop? Okay, Michael Jackson. Which instrument has 88 keys? For those 88 keys, okay, you can see all the right options here. Which has 88 keys? 88 keys. That should be C, which is piano. You can see piano. Or C. You can see piano. And who composed the Four Seasons? Okay, Anthony Vivaldi. Right. Which genre of music is associated with Bob Marley? Reggae. Of course, we all know that. What is the highest? I can see this question is timed 1 minute. 1 minute duration test exam. So, what is the highest female singing voice? The highest female singing voice. I can check the options. The highest female singing voice. What's the highest female singing voice? And that should be C, soprano. All right, soprano. I click the next button. The total questions are 10, and this also you can see one level where we are timed out already. Timed out. So let's check the view results. You can see our progress. Music so far 50 C1 credit. You can see, and the total score. Okay, good. Let's also attempt physics for this. Let's say and one thing about the beauty part of this interface is that you cannot go back and retake questions you have already taken. Now physics. Okay, no, not physics. This is another subject. Let's say you want to go back with for music. Okay, you can see the message. You have already taken this exam. Please choose another subject. You can see, and that is only we have for music. Close. Okay, let's take another subject. For this guy here, user 20. Okay, user 20. Look at this course. Let's check the progress for user 20 in the scores table. Score table so far. Music, okay, scored 50 over 100, 50%. Oh, that's good. 50. Okay, you can see the total 50. The total score is added dynamically. Okay, you can also reset question. You can also reset this the question. All right. Let's go back to the user interface. Okay, let's take physics. Physics. Good. What does essential do to mass gravity on Earth? 9.8. Which law states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? For the physics students should better know that. Okay, for every action there is equal. What is unit of electric current? Ampere. What is the speed of light? Okay, 3 point something like that. Which particle in the nucleus of an atom has electric charge? Of an atom has no electric charge. I think it's neutron. Okay, next you can see this one is an image question. It's an image question. And if you go to the dashboard, let's check this dashboard here. From the questions, you can see it appears as an image question under physics. Let's search for it. Physics. You can see it's an image question. What is phenomenon causes the sky to appear? You can put anything. I'm just decided to put a random image of physics. And what is the phenomenon? It's an image question. So if you want to have it an image question, you come here and then upload that image. It could be in SVG, PNG, JPEG, as you may like. So physics. Okay, let's say refraction. Let's come here and submit. And you can see, do you wish to submit? Are you about to submit your exam? You can click yes, submit. You can see, we come here and view the results. You can see the subject are added. The subject are added dynamically, and the total score display here. The name of the student as well, and the class JSS2. So you can print the results. result. You can see the result are displayed. You can see the name of the student and the class. So that is wonderful. So that is how this works. So the user select their answers by clicking the respective option. The selected option is highlighted, just like we have with all these questions and radio button. So that is how we do. You can see the total attempts now for this particular student is total attempt is 2. So total attempt is 2. The questions are, you can see, are in option multiple choice questions A, B, C, D. So you can also want to do it for the image based question. The image is along with the question, just like we have in the other when we are answering that of this particular question here, this particular one. So that's it. That's how you can log out. So this is how the user interface works. That's a brief overview of how it works.